Today, we will tour the Freedom of the Seas Royal Promenade View Room 7593. After opening the room card, let's take a quick look inside. On the right side is the closet with hangers, shelves, and a safe for your valuables. Everything is well organized and easy to use.
Next is the wall-mounted TV, which saves space. Under it, you have 3 drawers for storage and tissues provided. The bed looks very comfortable, with wall lamps on both sides and 2 small bedside tables. The room phone is here as well, so you can call room service anytime.
Beside the bed, there is a small sofa for relaxing. Near the window, there is another sofa. Open the curtain, and you can enjoy a clear view of the Royal Promenade below, making it a great spot for people watching and enjoying the lively atmosphere on board.
Now the mirror area. It has built-in lights, US and European outlets on both sides, and small storage spaces. The full-body mirror makes the room feel brighter and larger. The bathroom is compact but functional, with a shower, towels, soap, shampoo, and conditioner provided.
Now one last full room view. Clean, cozy, and perfect for a cruise stay. That's it for this room tour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.